Hello, welcome again. We are solving general study paper 2 of year 2019 of civil services exam, which is also considered question number 20. In a conference, out of total 100 participants, 70 are Indian. If 60 are total participants are vegetarian, then which of the following statement is are correct? 1. At least 30 Indian participants are vegetarian. 2. At least 10 Indian participants are non-vegetarian. Select the answer using the codes given below. Option A, 1 only, option B, 2 only, option C, both 1 and 2, and option D, neither 1 nor 2. So here, total number of participants. So if all the Indian are vegetarians, then 30 Indian so if all the non-Indian are vegetarian, then 30 Indian will be vegetarian. How? If these non-Indian are vegetarian, then 30 vegetarian are there. Total number of vegetarian are 60. 30 are non-Indian, so 30 will be a Indian vegetarian. So that is the maximum number we vegetarian people we can have as non-Indian. Okay, so minimum can be 0 also. So, with maximum number of non-vegetarian non-Indian, we have at least 30 Indian vegetarian. Okay, so this statement 1 is correct. So at least 30 Indian participants are vegetarian. So now this is the case when all the non-Indian are vegetarian. So there may be, and we get the minimum number of Indian vegetarian as 30. So there may be the case that all the non-Indian are non-vegetarian. Okay, then all the 60 vegetarian will be Indian. Okay, so when all the 60 vegetarian are Indian and total number of Indians are 70, so non-vegetarian Indian will be 10. Okay, so at least 10 Indian are non-vegetarian. Second statement, at least 10 Indians are non-vegetarian. So that statement is also correct. So answer is option C. Both statements are correct. Both are correct. So you can see this. Both are correct.